They basically wanted someone at a very early age, by early age as in like fresh grad, hunger and all of that, and they wanted it fast. We talk about the biggest asset for a startup, it is time. Because as I told you, we're burning money every month.
Hi everyone, my name is Divya and I'm from the media department at Westford. Come with us to go visit the Vice President of Bayzat, Mr. Safwan Youseph.
So these are all students from Westford. Yeah, so this is Al-Baba, he's our VP of Engineering. So I'm very proud. Basically, I took the initiative in terms of taking from where the SaaS business was today to where it is. Bayzat is a company that started in 2016. So you cannot no longer call us a startup. We are slowly moving to a scale-up stage.
I feel that people respond better to salespeople. Usually it's person calling. So how do they feel when they're talking to an AI agent? Do they feel more comfortable?
At this point in time, we haven't optimized to an extent where you don't feel like you're talking to an AI agent. You will still figure it out, but it's still not very easy to figure out. For example, I can take your voice and make sure that the AI agent speaks like how you speak. The modulation, your tone of voice and everything. Right? We have a function called the AI team, and that consists of 4 people in total, and their job only is to build AI customer-facing products.
Visiting Bayzat was a fantastic experience. Meeting with Mr. Youseph, who is the VP of product there, was very insightful. We got to see how they approach innovation and development. We got to personally hear about their product strategies and goals from a key leader there. And it was an opportunity that was unbelievable. So I hope to see you all on Wednesday, where he's coming to visit us here at Westford for a WeConnect session. So I hope to see you there.